Hello, thanks for joining me for another beer review then. Today we're doing a re-review, but yeah, last time I had it was absolutely gorgeous, and yeah, say no more. So another beer from DEYA. So this is, I think, certainly their flagship beer. Steady Rolling Man then. It's saying it's a pale ale there, 5.2% ABV. It's actually classed and untapped as a New England pale ale. But yeah, nice 500ml cans these guys do. These guys are out of Cheltenham down in Gloucestershire in the southwest of England in the UK. This particular can was packaged on the 24th of November of 2020. So and it's got number 3 at the end of that. So perhaps that's batch number 3 of 2020, I assume. Best before the 24th of March of 2020. Yeah, just I've reviewed it quite a while ago. It's had a few different kind of artwork, branding changes. I'm not sure if I've reviewed it like that or in another older can, probably. But yeah, let's crack it open then. So we've got malted barley, wheat, oats, hops and yeast. Contains gluten, obviously water as well. There's a bit more information about the can or the beer there, if you want to read it and pause it. Great stuff. Big shout out to the very kind folk at the Little Swift in Margate. This was part of the 7 beers they brought round for me about a week before Christmas. I didn't drink for 2 weeks over Christmas at all. I think New Year's, literally New Year, just 5 minutes before New Year, I cracked my first can in like 2 weeks. So anyway, thanks again to them very awesome people at the Little Swift in Margate. So, sorry about the branding glassware. And someone actually mentioned the other day, why do you keep tapping the beer? It's because I'm trying to get my glasses clean and you know, I'm really careful, etc. You know, but for some reason I still keep getting like, sorry about the logo, all this going on. So anyone who knows how to get rid of it, I know how to get rid of it, just tapping it. But anyway, beer in the glass, looks cracking. It's a 3/4 white finger head. It's hazy as you'd expect with the oats. Not crazy dense, it's a little bit lighter at the bottom as you look at the beer, you know, like the other side kind of deal. But yeah, looks great, nice orangey, you know, tropical looking. So let's give it a swirl and a sniff. Yeah, fleshy orange in that. Really nice. Yeah, very citrusy. Pineapple chunks. Pineapple jelly even. Yeah, grapefruit, passion fruit, really juicy, really nice smelling beer. Let's give it a try. Cheers. It's great. Not had one of these for a while. They've been available locally to me probably since the spring, on and off. Never actually went and got one, but I thought, one's turned up on my doorstep, let's get a review or a re-review. This is so easy drinking, no hint of the ABV, nice soft playful mouthfeel, lovely tropical fruit notes, a little bit of a touch of bitterness at the back end as well, which is quite pleasant and always welcome. Leaving a great lacing on the glass. That's a damn fine pale ale. I mean, 5%, 5.2%. Very easily quaffable. A nice sized can. And yeah, if you've never had anything from DEYA, I would say this is more than likely the one you're going to see if it's online, bottle shops, in bars. Not that we can go to bars, but if they got cans, you never had a DEYA, try that first. That's what I'd say. I think that's what I did, and it's a great introduction to what these guys do. I know they've gone to a bigger brewing plant over the last year or so, but yeah, I mean that was. I went to the tap room a couple of years ago, as I've mentioned in other DEYA reviews, and what a lovely place. Would love to have spent more time actually in Cheltenham itself, but maybe in the future when the world stops burning, as they say, then yeah, I think DEYA would be on the list to definitely visit. So anyway, back to this beer in hand. Yeah, very soft, very clean, very smooth, medium body, no alcohol presence. Definitely a passion fruit, pineapple edge, very citrusy. Them oats really do play a part in holding this beer together. That, you know, it keeps a seal on any kind of one particular flavour note. Awesome stuff. Just fantastic. Do check out their website for other stuff as well. They generally do packs, like 3 of this, 3 of that to make a 6 up, or 3 to make a, you know, a big old box up. But yeah, but check out your local bottle shops and bars first. That's what I say. And check out the Little Swift if you're local. You know, whether this will be on there or not, I'm not too sure. But yeah, just subscribe to their newsletters, and you'll find out every week what they get. And that's it. And it's still very, very good, as I was expecting and not surprised. But yeah, check them out. DEYA Brewing Company out of Cheltenham. This is their Steady Rolling Man, a New England Pale Ale then at 5.2% ABV. This is a November 2020 can edition. So thanks for watching. Hope you're all keeping safe, and thanks again to the Little Swift for the beer. Really do appreciate it. As always, look forward to seeing you when we can. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.